On today's episode of Adventure Travel, our adventure begins in the surfer's paradise of Rincon, where we take you snorkeling into the Tres Palmas Marine Reserve. After that, we stop to enjoy some authentic Puerto Rican fried chicken at a popular restaurant that has been operating for over 50 years. Next, we take you to the turquoise waters at Crash Boat Beach and show you why this beach is known throughout the island as the Party Beach. Finally, we take you to downtown Rincon on a Saturday night to experience the nightlife, food, and energy of the town. Hey guys, so I'm out here on the hammock deck. We do have two hammocks here, just so you can see, like right behind me. Pretty cool little setup here. And you also have a fan as well, if you want to get some air. And you got some light switches over here. So like at nighttime, you can actually light this place up. You got some lighting there as well. And that is our glorious pool in our glorious villa. And this is, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so you have like 8 sun chairs if you want to just chill out in the back, get some sun, work on your tan. And this is kind of neat too. So I don't know if you can see it, but they have some lights. I'm going to show you a night shot later, but they have some lights up here. They look like they're on actually. Should turn them off. But yeah, we have a little picnic area, which is nice here. So if you want to get some food or sit out here with your friends and enjoy some bottled wine, you have that option as well. So cool little spot. The villa we were staying at didn't have coffee creamer, so I can't have my coffee without cream. So I decided to we decided to take a walk. But you get to see what the neighborhood looks like here in Rincon, which is kind of cool. So. Guys, you can see some of the local businesses here. This is like a very short walk from our place, but you can rent paddle boards here. You've got sailing. If you want to do some sailing, they've got some sailing charters right down here. They have parasailing, obviously. What else do they have here? Juice box, horseback riding, all kinds of cool stuff. So this actually is all right here. I mean, just walked. So down here, this little street has a lot of those different activities. So you can see, it's called Black Eagle Marina. So I found something on the side of the road. It's a dead bat. It's a dead bat. So it's a dead bat. Check that out. It has no eyes. Yeah, kind of interesting. So guys, we found a coffee shop. It's about a half a mile from our place. Good morning. So
We got Anne got a 16-ounce coffee. I got a coffee latte, and then we also got an acai bowl for $10. So. Yeah, we got 2 acai bowls and 2 cups of coffee. This is about $24.50, and this is the acai bowl. Looks like it has some granola, some seeds, coconut. Why don't you give it a try? Tell me what you think.
Looks delicious.
Yeah, it looks delicious. You good? Yeah. All right, well, there you have it, man. So if we're here, Tres Palmas area. Hey guys, so like this is a kind of a landmark, how you know you're here at Steps Beach too. There's a sign that says every piece of plastic ever made still exists today. So you'll know you're in the right place. You'll know you're in the right place when you come down and you see this tree with this sign on there.
Model. I don't think I can get it. I don't want to. I'm scared. But oh.
We are on Steps Beach right now, and like I said, it was a lot of the beach is hard, it's rocky, it's not really a sandy beach. It's like dried up coral that you're pretty much walking on. What's good about this beach is there's no sargassum at all. None. Very little, like hardly any. I don't see any. And the other thing too is kind of cool about this is you've got a lot of shade here. If you look, you have all these trees over here and just tons of shade everywhere. So if you want to get out of the sun, it's ideal. How was the beach, guys?
Wonderful. Muy caliente. Wait. Muy. Mucho bien.
What was your favorite part of it?
Linda. Mucho linda. Mucha.
What was your favorite part?
Temperature of the water.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Or the blue. And then there's a lot of coral. A lot.
But you
Sitting on the beach is pleasant too. If you just want to, or you can just hang out in the water. It was very comfortable. No, but nothing biting you. Not like that.
So that is a very good beach to snorkel. There's just an abundance of coral reef and abundance of marine wildlife. One thing I'll tell you is we did not see any sharks, which is good.
Or barracuda.
Or barracuda. We did see a barracuda at another beach we went to. But right now we're going to head back to our villa and get ready to go to Crash Boat Beach. So guys, just gonna get some food. We're actually in a little town called Aguadilla, and there's this really cool little restaurant called Cafeteria Chano behind me. So I'm gonna see what I can get to order for, because we're getting a little hungry. We're on our way to Crash Boat Beach. Hey guys, so like this place, pretty much you just order chicken and fries. That's really all they have. And I think it was like, well, I got three chickens, three chicken breasts, and they come with fries, and it was like $15 or so. So it's like $5 and some change. You get like a little box with chicken and fries. Comes in a little box like this. It's about $5 and some change. Again, we are in Aguadilla. So this is pretty much all they actually sell here, just fries and chicken. Like, you can't order anything else. Fries taste pretty good. Good. Check this place out. I don't know what that is.
I hate these roads, but there's like barely room enough for.
Yeah, the roads are super narrow out here. Yeah, look, there's some beach here. Close to it. Yeah, you can see the water.
Pay attention.
I am. So guys, this is we just got to the water area by Crash Boat Beach. So
Oh, here's the parking up the hill.
yeah, it looks like it's like pretty full, honestly. There's like a lot of cars parked on the side of the road here, so we're guessing that this is as far as we're going to be able to get. Yeah,
Do you want to
so-
go down and then come back
Yeah,
up, or
I guess
just
we
to
could.
see?
I guess we could if I could get something closer.
Oh wait, he's going.
Nope, sorry. Hey guys, so yeah, we just got to Crash Boat Beach. We're parking next to the sign, so we're gonna check it out. I can see the pier to my right. It's right over there. All right, so let's see what this place is about. There are some bathrooms, it looks like, up there. Check this place out. This place is a party.
Can you hold this? I'm gonna take a video. I love this song.
Wow. Look at that, guys. What do you guys think?
Yeah, it's very busy. That's why I see why they stay open early. It's like pretty bad. There's like a little space there. I feel like this is like when we were at Rehoboth.
Yeah, this is like Rehoboth. Let's go down. Well, okay, let's see what we can find. Yeah, well, let's look to the left too. Actually, let me go look this way. So guys, we just got down here. We're trying to look for some place to actually park, hang out, but we didn't realize it was going to be this crowded. You know, the reason why this beach is so crowded right now is because this is Saturday. I originally thought it wasn't going to be this crowded because a lot of the videos that I saw online of Crash Boat Beach, it didn't look very crowded at all. But yeah, again, it is a Saturday, so that would explain why it's just so crowded. Not an easy place to find a spot on the beach, and the parking situation is really tough. But we did find a pretty close parking spot near the entrance, so we're grateful for that. So out in the distance, there's normally an island that you can see out there. I can't even see it anymore, but you cannot see it right now because that island is getting rained on, so it's basically in the rain shadow right now. Yeah, but this is a really amazing place to be today, so we're very grateful to be here. Pretty shallow.
I cannot reach up. No, I won't have a day. Not playing this game. I do not feel ya. I'm not crossing that tape. It would be a shame. So listen, baby, listen carefully, 'cause I got something to say. Let's stop this charade. Stop this charade.
guys, there's like such a buzz over here. Like so many people having a great time. Definitely the liveliest beach in Puerto Rico that I've encountered. Just look at this place. So guys, yeah, so pretty happening over here. They got a lot of food. You can order on the beach. You can buy sombreros. You can get jet skis. You can get pina coladas. You can get a lot of stuff over here. So, badass beach. What's up, guys? We are in downtown Rincon Saturday night. I'm going to show you what this place looks like Saturday night. The kind of energy that they actually have going on here. We're actually going to have dinner at a little Greek Puerto Rican fusion style restaurant. So I'm going to show you some highlights here. This is the plaza. Check this place out. We decided to come eat dinner at a place called Giro. Sorry, I mean Giro. Is that what it's called? Oh, Gilro. G-Y-L-R-O. It's in Rincon, downtown Rincon. It's kind of cool looking. They got live music and stuff. I don't know how much you can see, but it's kind of dark. Yeah, but anyway, this is the place, Gilro. Actually. Why don't you go to the band?
I barely see it.
Well, that's it for this episode of Adventure Travel. Join us on our next episode as we take you surfing and hiking on Puerto Rico's northwest coast and take you to Domes Beach to experience the island's most beautiful sunset. Thank you for watching this episode of Adventure Travel. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos of our adventures in Puerto Rico, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also support us by watching the commercials on our YouTube channel.